LOVEVOOK 45-liter carry-on backpack, your ultimate travel companion. The LOVEVOOK carry-on backpack redefines travel convenience with its expansive 45-liter capacity, expandable design, and inclusion of 4 packing cubes. Ideal for 3 to 7 days of travel, it accommodates multiple outfits, shoes, and daily necessities. The expandable feature transforms it from a 35-liter to a generous 45+ liter, offering optimal space for men and women on the move. Approved by major airlines like Delta, Southwest, and United, this 4-pound lightweight backpack adheres to carry-on baggage regulations. Its 180-degree zipper closure ensures swift security checks, making it a perfect airline-approved companion. Equipped with a 17-inch laptop compartment, it's both functional and flight-friendly. Organize efficiently with the included packing cubes, store clothes, toiletries, and shoes neatly. The backpack features a wet pocket for damp items and offers versatile use with its convertible design into a suitcase backpack. Breathable mesh back padding and shoulder straps ensure comfort during long journeys. Constructed from tear-proof, waterproof canvas, this backpack guarantees durability. Reinforced buckles, adjustable straps, and stress point reinforcement elevate its sturdiness. Waterproof fabric safeguards belongings from light rain, while padded side handles ensure easy access and storage. External compression straps maintain item stability and ease zipper pressure. Crafted for travel, camping, and weekends, this backpack stands out for its quality, functionality, and reliability. For any concerns, LOVEVOOK assures a prompt solution within 24 hours. Experience stress-free travel with this water-resistant, durable, and versatile carry-on backpack designed for your every adventure.